I've been dreaming on in my head.
Alright guys, so for flushing the block, a while ago I bought this old coolant flush kit, and one of the things on it is actually a direct connector to a garden hose, and you can step it down to about 3/8. So I found the bung that would go into the top of the intake. So now we'll just take this fitting that's the exact same thread pitch as that bung, and we're gonna screw it right in here.
To move on, to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on, to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Water is coming straight from the hose in the house. So I have the lower radiator hose disconnected. It's up on the other side here, and we're just gonna dump all of it in here and try to get that crud out of the block. So let's go for it.
Get tough, calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one, mess with me, come down with none, I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun, 'cause I got a full clip, put your name on it, but I'ma let you slide 'cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on, to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on, to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Alright guys, so that concludes the flush side of things. Just got the bung put back in as you saw. Then we got the radiator hose put back on in the bottom. Tried to get the radiator cleaned out as best we could as well. Just kept flushing it until it was pretty much clean coming out. So that's done. Now we're just gonna go ahead and fill it up with some generic stuff because that's really all this thing needs. Really, we're waiting on parts, so that'll be in the next one. Guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope you can follow me throughout this build, and maybe you'll see me driving this thing around soon. So stay tuned for the next one. Can't wait. See you then.